I've had to put a lot of dedication into this project. We have to get up at 6:30 in the morning to get there by 7:30. Just being there in the morning is a beautiful opportunity. It's a lot quieter. It's very peaceful. I guess it's a good way to describe it.
This Summer Scholars Project that we're doing at the John Heinz Wildlife Refuge is directed at understanding the size and characteristics of the turtle community. This particular study is unique because it's a project that's going to go year after year after year and gather information for a long period of time. It's going to require the involvement of lots of students. And so the students I have working on it now are getting it started, and as they graduate and move on, we'll have to move other students into the project.
The information that we're collecting at John Heinz Wildlife Refuge about the individual turtles are their measurements, their size, weight, scute anomalies, which are unusual patterns of the shell. We equip each turtle with a pit tag, which is an individual number sort of programmed into a microchip.
John Heinz National Wildlife Refuge was established in 1972 to protect the largest remaining freshwater tidal marsh in Pennsylvania and also provide environmental education opportunities for the urban area in Philadelphia.
We've had a great relationship with the St. Joseph's University students. They've been a great team. They've come to us with ideas, and they have done a great job at getting out there, collecting the data in all kinds of weather, hot and cold, and then analyzing it, putting it together, and transferring that back to the refuge so that I can use it to help the habitat and help the animals that are here.
We'll row around in our canoe and catch turtles out of nets. We will continue doing this and hopefully tagging more turtles and recatching more turtles so that we can analyze the population size. I also built the traps that we're using this summer.
Red-eared sliders are an introduced species or an alien species. They're not supposed to be in this part of Pennsylvania. Federal regulations and state regulations require that if you collect an invasive species, whether it's a turtle or a fish or something like that, that you euthanize that animal. And we wanted to avoid that because we think it's really important to understand the red-eared slider population because it's probably having an effect on the overall turtle community. And it's possible that local populations of native turtles are getting lower because the red-eared sliders are doing so well.
Coming to St. Joe's is really when I became more interested in turtles because of Dr. McRoberts' biodiversity lab. We have so many different species here that I became interested in all the wide variety of turtles you can find. At the beginning, it was just kind of this idea. It's really exciting to see how just an idea became reality.